3-inch stem casters for my welding table. Before we find that answer to that burning question from the very start, let's start with some positives. Positive number 1. The M10 1.5 by 25 millimeter threaded stem is the right spec for the Klutch table leg inserts. Drop it in, no drilling, no adapter drama. They even throw in double-ended open wrenches, which is either thoughtful engineering or an admission that you'll need them. So the stem just slid right in? You know, I asked the Alexa chatbot on Amazon whether these would fit my welding table before I bought them. It said yes, which is the most confidence I've had in relationships since 2022. Positive number 2, dual locking PVC wheels get you both swivel and lock, which means your welding table stays exactly where you put it while you're running a bead. PVC at this durameter is so quiet on concrete and won't telegraph every vibration back through the stem like a harder wheel would. Negatives? Yeah, I always find you one. A handful of critical reviews flag bearing slop causing wobble under load, and the listing discloses 0 bearing specs. No grade, no ball count, no tolerance class. When a company won't tell you what's inside the bearing is telling you something. Size up if your table lives on a hard life. And for that answer, that 1,500 pound load capacity, the listing quietly admits whether that's per caster or for all 4 combined. That's not a typo. That's a 375 pound real difference. A welding table loaded with a vise, a welder, and whatever your buddy just sat down on for a second can close that gap pretty fast. And bearing wobble complaints in the critical reviews suggest the internals aren't spec sheet material.